Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video I will teach you how to turn on ring for repeated calls when riding mode is on in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the smart services. Click this. And okay guys, here in smart services, okay, you can see the riding mode. And okay, click riding mode. And okay guys, here in riding mode, okay, you can see riding mode is on. And okay guys, you all have to do is go to do not disturb riding. And okay guys, here in do not disturb riding, okay, in incoming calls, okay, you can see the ring for repeated calls. And okay guys, if this enable or turn on, okay, phone ring when you receive a call from the same number again within 3 minutes. And okay guys, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side to turn on the ring for repeated calls in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.